Are you in deep struggle right now? Does everything feel impossible? Or maybe you feel hopeless because the world's telling you to give up because there's no way out. But let me tell you about someone in the Bible who held on, even if when everything seemed against him. Meet Abraham. He longed for a son, a descendant. But there was a problem. His wife, Sarah, was barren. Years passed, and even as old age came, they still had no child. But then God made a promise. In Romans 4:18 to 22, it says, "In hope he believed against hope, that he should become the father of many nations, as he had been told, so shall your offspring be." He did not weaken in faith when he considered his own body, which was as good as dead, since he was about 100 years old, or when he considered the barrenness of Sarah's womb. No unbelief made him waver concerning the promise of God, but he grew strong in his faith as he gave glory to God, fully convinced that God was able to do what he has promised. And indeed, God fulfilled his promise. Let this be your reminder. Even if the world says it's over, it is not, as long as God has said yes. What he has promised, he will surely do it. Hold on to his promises. Share this to your family and friends so that they will be reminded as well that there is hope in Jesus. God bless.